Hello everyone, I'm Dasha, and today I'm going to tell you about Cellframe network updates for the past months. It's been a while since you've heard from us, and now it is the perfect time to recap September's developments and improvements for our project. Make sure to watch this video until the very end. We have a cool offer specifically for our subscribers that won't leave anyone interested in crypto news indifferent. Let's go! It is now official. We have a new blockchain scanner. Cellframe Explorer has been replaced by Cellframe CFSCAN, new design. This major update features a completely revamped engine. Expanded functionality. We have rethought the usability of the Blockchain Explorer, and now CFSCAN is more stable and user-friendly. CFSCAN is available via the link below the video. Go ahead and try out the updated Blockchain Explorer. Added tracking of bridge transactions in CFSCAN. This process of updating the bridge website's UI and UX is underway. A global redesign is expected, which will improve the user experience. You'll be the first to know when it happens. Now let me remind you what Cellframe Auction is. It's a special platform where projects that want to become part of the Cellframe ecosystem can participate in an auction for slots to launch their own L1 network. The winning project will lease a slot for a specific term. Cell token holders will be able to support initiatives they like by placing bids with their coins locked. In return, if the project wins, they will receive native tokens as airdrops, and after the lease term ends, their locked cell will be returned. The website is launching soon. Stay tuned for the updates. So here's what was done on the technical side for this project in September. Implemented backend and event registration on the blockchain. Added CLI commands for placing bids, canceling, and finalizing auctions. Ported Python wrappers for the new commands. What's new in Cellframe Wallet? The wallet interface now shows which signature type was used when creating the wallet. This data is available in the wallet list. Users with outdated signature types will receive an in-app notification. Recommended and supported types are Falcon, Crystals Dilithium, and Sphinx Plus. In the new node version 6.0, support for signatures that didn't pass NIST validation will be disabled. These are the Bliss, Picnic, and Tesla algorithms. If your wallet was created using these signatures, you will receive a special notification. You will need to issue a new wallet with the recommended signatures and transfer your funds there. The interface for creating wallets secured by multi-signatures is currently being updated. Also, the developers have added a component for configuring transaction fees with value validation, and users can now adjust these values themselves. Functionality for managing collective accounts has been implemented on the back end, and it will be available to users in one of the upcoming wallet releases. We will cover how to use collective accounts and the capabilities of this functionality later. Don't miss it. Now let's cover what's interesting with Cellframe DEX. Let me remind you that this is a decentralized exchange on the Cellframe network platform, designed for exchanging CF20 standard tokens within our native network. It looks like a centralized exchange externally, but is decentralized in fact. Technically, our exchange is significantly different from most DEXs. We do not use AMM technologies and smart contracts. Instead, we use a limit order engine, just like on the familiar CEXs. Not long ago, we began a large-scale refinement and update of our exchange to make it even more convenient and functionally similar to centralized exchanges. So what are the updates here? We reworked the order book, implemented automatic matching of counter orders and aggregated cancellation, added a minimum execution amount and various market metrics. We will leave a link below the video, so you know exactly how to work with the centralized exchange. Now let's move on to the Cellframe ecosystem news. As you know, the Cellframe ecosystem is multi-level. We have many partner projects, each deserving special attention. Let's start with kelvpn. September was rich in refinements and improvements. Take the Surf2 access point, for example. A more compact design, a new magenta-colored body, and passive cooling without a fan. This is what makes this device truly exclusive. Security, reliability, quietness, In a word, it's just beautiful. As for the VPN itself, a lot of work has been done. Let's start with the technical aspects. Firstly, improved VPN stability. We fixed application crashes in offline mode, resolved memory issues, and enhanced network error handling. Secondly, optimized connection logic. Connection cancellations, node discovery, key activation, and wallet responses now work faster and more reliably. Thirdly, we fixed an issue preventing the report submission window from appearing. Visually, everything is getting better and better too. Next, interface and animation improvements. Connection animations, error notifications, key history, and FAQ content are now displayed correctly. We fixed chart theme switching. Colored switching now works correctly, and updates are applied immediately after selecting a theme. On September 30, the staking program for the NYS token launched in the Cellframe mainnet, the backbone network. The reward pool for the staking program for the next 12 months is 10 million NYS. The APY is dynamic and may change as the user pool grows. NYS staking is available as the address you will find in the description. The team continues to expand the manufacturer network for the decentralized factory-to-factory. New de-factory partners in September were Energocomplect and Nuva Labs, together with whom nodesys is expanding its production network in the fields of electrical systems, complex automation, and packaging production. In September, the nodesys team participated in the international exhibitions InnoProm and BotExpo, which were dedicated to innovate production, as well as technology, transport, and the construction sector. In August, the CPUNK team launched its own parachain and is now continuing to refine the DNA functionality, a blockchain-based domain name system. The final stretch towards creating the mainnet where smart contracts will be implemented in the future. The main task now is to finalize linking all smart contract data to Cellframe data. Most of it is already connected, but it is necessary to ensure the transfer of parameters such as block numbers. Currently, smart contracts are executed with test parameters, not Cellframe data, and correctly save their data. We are passing all Ethereum unit tests for QEVM correctness, but they have been modified to work with 256-bit addresses. Now let's move on to something interesting. A new video interview was released on Financial Fox. What happens when quantum computers can run Short's algorithm and threaten Bitcoin? Stefania Barbagalla, together with Jan Smith, CEO of Quantum EVM, analyzed quantum risks for the entire crypto ecosystem. Jan shares his experience in monitoring quantum advancements and explains why many underestimate the timeline for the emergence of threats. Dotflat and the biggest events for this project. Dotflat's first listing on a centralized exchange. The Flatcoins DFC and the project's governance tokens RLE are now available for purchase on the CPUNK exchange. Trading pairs RLE USDT and DFC USDT. The tokens are already available for deposit and withdrawal. On Cellframe DEX, new orders with the DFC tokens are available. This means you can now buy ready post-quantum secure Flatcoins. All you need is your own wallet in the Cellframe blockchain and CF20 tokens. The team is currently focused on marketing development and finding investors. Besides all the news events, something truly massive awaits us. Cellframe and other projects in our ecosystem are actively preparing for the biggest events of the year for the entire crypto world. On October 28 and 29, Blockchain Live will take place in Dubai. This is the 15th international conference, eagerly awaited by 15,000 participants from over 130 countries. It's a landmark event in the Web3, cryptocurrency, and mining industry. And you know what? We have pleasant news. For all our subscribers, we have a promo code that gives you a 10% discount on attending this awesome event. Do you want to become part of a global crypto community? Meet industry leaders and dive into the most profitable trends? Then go for it! It's not too late to buy a ticket. Details, as always, are in the description. On October 28th, Dmitry Gerasimov, head of the Cellframe project, will speak at one of the forum's venues and talk about the dawn of post-quantum cryptography. It's going to be legendary. On the same day, the post-quantum dawn exclusive side event from Cellframe team will take place. We will discuss what awaits blockchain in the era of quantum computing and how quantum technologies will influence the blockchain infrastructure of the future. Exclusive news, interesting guests and speakers, engaging technical discussions, and of course, interactive sessions and prizes from the Cellframe team. Don't miss the unique chance. Returning to other events of September, we held our traditional AMA session with Dmitry Gerasimov. As always, the most relevant user questions and answers in a live format. You need to see it. The link is in the description below. And also, we'll launch the first hackathon from the Cellframe team. Do you have any ideas for services in our ecosystem? Join the competition. We are looking for developers and enthusiasts ready to bring their own solutions to life based on the post-quantum L0 blockchain platform Cellframe. The application process has already started. Follow the link and take part. And a bit more about other activities. The CF protocol is now integrated on the BingX exchange. The CF20 is now available there, which means you can withdraw them directly to your Cellframe wallets. We continue to expand the presence of our protocol in the market. More to come. Furthermore, we have passed a cryptography audit by the Querify team. Their experts confirm that our post-quantum cryptography fully complies with NIST standards. And finally, we are currently updating the Cellframe Ambassador program. All details will follow later. Stay tuned. That's all for now. Thank you for your activity, engagement, and support. We have a lot of interesting things ahead.